ಕಾಲು ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಯಿತು.
What's up guys, I'm back with another video. It's about 4:50 in the morning and I'm off to a place called Lakshmi Narayana Swamy Betta, roughly about 55 odd kilometers I guess from my place. The special thing about this ride is that I recently happened to become a part of a local Royal Enfield club based in Nagarbavi, Bangalore. And this is my first ride with the club, and frankly speaking I was truly excited about this ride and I just couldn't sleep yesterday night. So the meeting time is 5 a.m. and we're planning to leave by around 5:30. So Google says it takes about 1 hour to 18 minutes to reach there. So we should reach there well before breakfast time and probably have some steaming hot 30 idlis on our way back. So I've heard there's a fair bit of off-roading at that place and it will be really fun for a Himalayan. The meeting point decided was the Royal Enfield showroom in Nagarbavi, and yeah, I'm the first one to come here. I don't see anybody here. Hopefully all of them comes and we can leave as early as possible. So yeah, we got really late for everyone to assemble up and stuff. So apparently there was a new rider from Maharashtra, and she was new to Bangalore and she had to find her way through Bangalore to reach the place, and she had to come all the way from Indranagar, so we all had to wait for her to come. So anyway, we were able to leave by about 6:45 I guess, and we're hoping to reach there by 8 at least, or 8:15, or maybe have breakfast and then leave from there to the place. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Till then, enjoy the ride. Since we were running late, all of us decided to have our breakfast and then leave. So we stopped by the most famous Tatredli stop, that is Renukamba Tatredli near Biddi, because we thought we wouldn't find any restaurant after we take the diversion from the Mysore road.
was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
ಕಾಲ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೋಗೋಣ.
So the place turned out to be totally different from what we expected it to be. What we've been told was the villages around that area had got together and were constructing a road to the top of the hill with their own funds. And hence we couldn't take our bikes till the top as the construction was going on. However, we parked our bikes at that place and climbed the mountain. It was a really scenic place. We just didn't wanted to return back as the place was just too beautiful. The cool breeze just pumped up our energy back. All of us then rode down the hill and headed our way back home. So, as the drill goes, do like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future video notifications. Thank you. Bye bye.